COSEKE Kenya Limited is an ICT company based in Nairobi's Upper Hill area. COSEKE was originally started in 1990 in Tanzania, which later opened other branches in Nairobi, Uganda, and Rwanda. COSEKE, which means strong company in Tanzanian language. It is an ICT company which deals with ICT solutions such as electronic movable shelves, electronic document management solutions, business processing management solutions, electronic board management solutions, storages, servers, scanning solutions, and digitization solutions.
Basically, COSEKE is an ICT company that deals with document management solutions. And by document management solutions, I mean we basically venture in automation and enabling the organization, any organization or organizations, automate their businesses in such a way that there is no movement of paper within the offices. Now, one of the biggest projects we've done in Kenya in terms of document management systems and also physical archivals is automation of the physical content itself, the physical files within the organizations by use of movable shelves. These function like just the normal movable shelves you find in organizations, but we've gone a step further and automated them using computers, and hence the name electronic movable shelves.
COSEKE offers various ICT solutions to various organizations. We have government bodies, we have private organizations, we have financial institutions. Talk about any sector and we have a solution for you. And so what solutions do we offer as COSEKE? In COSEKE, we offer our core business is BPM and document management solutions. Basically what that means is we're trying to automate your office. We're trying to make you as paperless as possible.
One of the solutions that we've introduced into the market is electronic movable shelves. And this is a Windows application that controls shelves, just the normal shelves that we normally have in offices, but these have been modified to be controlled electronically. They have motors, they have control panels, screens that we are able to use to move the columns. These screens they are loaded with Windows. The current version we're using is Windows 8, and the software that is controlling this is called Smart Shelves, which is basically a Windows app. Now, for any user to be able to access that solution, number one, you have to create them, and they use database level authentication mechanism. And the database that we've currently configured to run the electronic movable shelves is Microsoft SQL. 2008 to 2016 can be able to run with the solution. Now, how the function is, in a normal working environment, we are used to where files are just stored in open cabinets. But the game changer in electronic movable shelves is that number one, the way they've designed, they are able to protect the files from environmental damages such as dust and the like.
Before a client implement such this system, we normally conduct, we have a methodology we use in order to do a successful project. We have to conduct a site visit. Site visit will enable us understand the nature of documents of the client. We'll be able to understand where the implementation is supposed to be done, that is the room or the site, so that since these electronic documents, electronic movable shelves, they are moving components, what we basically do it requires a level floor ground. So when we conduct a site visit, we'll be able to identify and to see if the floor is capable of handling such equipment. Secondly, we have to go through the client's document and we'll be able to understand the nature of their documents. And through this, we come up with the drawings of how the system will look when it is implemented. And again, through the drawing, we'll be able to come up with the implementation cost, because sometimes you can ask us for quotation, we cannot be able to give you such. The quotation can only come after we have done the measurements, we have done the drawing, then we tell you from whatever we have discovered and the number of files you have, this the material, or this how your system will look like, and this is how much it can cost you.
We also have electronic board management solution. Now this solution is for board members. Instead of having your board members carrying books, heavy books to meetings, they're able to do work from their iPads, from their Android machines. So they're able to discuss minutes, they're able to do voting from the electronic board management solution, which we call an e-board. Apart from that, we also give storage solutions and servers. So the reason why we give the storage, and this is the hardware, is because we want to give you a turnkey solution. So you want to scan your documents, we give you scanners. You want to store your images, we give you storage and servers. You want to now retrieve your documents, we give you electronic document management systems. You have board members, they want to have meetings, you give them e-board solution. Now, apart from that, people want to apply for leave electronically. So what do? You give them a business process management solution. So those are the solutions that we offer in COSEKE.
As a company, we've done and interacted with different environments in the industry, especially in East Africa, where we've ventured into finance markets. We've done government, parastatals. We've also done insurance companies, and this is basically to automate their business processes and also to be able to bring efficiency in the departments within any organization. In terms of service delivery, like for example movement of paper, whereby maybe it takes 3 to 4 days to process a particular document, we reduce that time to a day also.
Welcome to one of the sites where we've done such implementation of electronic movable shelves, and whatever you can be able to see now, these are what we call electronic movable shelves. So now the user here is showing us how he retrieves the file from the system, and we can be able to access this particular area. And now these are the files, and the green boxes are called dockets. So here we have the user who will take us through, and that is the file he's looking for. Thank you. And now this one here, this one is a docket, where after batching your files, you'll be able to keep them here. Then you can slot them into the compartments of the shelves.
Before the Smart Shelves management system came into place, initially we encountered problems such as location of the files. It took a lot of time to locate a single file and retrieve it. When the Smart Shelves management system came, it was easier to locate and retrieve a file. The Smart Shelves management system is also secure in such a way that a stranger cannot come and get a file from the system. In our old way of keeping these records, the files occupied a lot of space. But right now, the shelves have provided an increased storage without utilizing more space.
Now, for organizations and companies seeking to implement such solutions or a proper filing solution or an electronic document management system, this is my advice. There is always a starting point, and each solution has to be initiated by a need. There must be a need for it to move on. Now, we've done projects where the need has not well been understood by the organization, and they fail because we have again to go back to sensitization, whereby we have to tell users why the solution is coming on board and what it's going to do for them. Now, the starting point is to create the need, which is always there but not identified. And the need is first, you must secure your files, which is security, and information is critical for any organization, because if an organization loses information, it's like losing what it has built over the years. So it is important they secure the information. And if you get the urge to secure the information, that gets you the drive to look for the best solution to keep that information intact. And one of that is you'll need to look at how do you, number one, move the physical content that you have into an environment that is secure in an electronic environment, and also at the same time secure this physical content as the law requires, because there are different categories on how you should keep your documents legally, whether they are financial, whether they are HR documents. That should be a guiding factor. Now, once you create the need and you understand what you really need to achieve, the next thing that an organization should do is you scope out basically how you're going to run the project.
So what advice can I give clients who have files and they are not well arranged, they're not well retrieved? Maybe you're losing files, you're having a lot of fraud cases because of moving files. One advice I would give you is call COSEKE. Let us take you to sites where people have done it well. Like NSSF, they were able to arrange their benefit documents so well in the computerized shelves. You can go to our websites, our contacts are there, www.coseke.com, and you can call us and we are ready to give you advice. We're ready to come down and give you demonstrations and understand what is your pain point, what is it you're looking for in terms of physically arrangement of your document, physically automation of your documents. And I believe that we have a solution for each company.